will show you how to use KLING AI. So just watch and follow this video till the end. You have to open first KLING AI like this. And right now, you have to go and click here on, as you can see when you open KLING AI, it's going to take you here on the home page. If you want to upgrade to the premium version, click here. And guys, if you click here, you will find your referral bonus, and from here on this page you can explore. So if you go here, you can manage text to video, multi elements or effects or AI sound. If we click here guys on three dots, we can find our profile. If we click, this is our profile, we can change the name, the biography, ID, account, deletion, and there's many options here. As you can see, you can sign out, you can tag with this support. And guys, if we go to explore, you can explore. As I said, if we click here on this plus icon, we can right now generate our image to video or text to video or AI image as we want, guys. So if we click here on assist, we can find our creative or our upload. If we want to upload, if we go to my space here, click, and you can find here your profile, and this is your bonus. We go to create. For example, we will create just text to video. You can generate it as you want, guys, and then click generate from here. And guys, the application is very useful, as you see. If you have any question, write it down in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.